Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on Tofro.com in 2025. Now, in order for you to deposit your money into Tofro.com account, you don't need to actually verify your identity. Instead, you will have to verify your email address. So once you come on Tofro.com and you need to try to register to your account, the first thing that it asks you to verify is your email address. And for that, it is going to basically send a 6-digit verification code on your email, which you need to copy and paste it over here. Only then you will be able to create your account and log in into your account. Then you can easily recharge into your Tofro account, and then you can start trading in futures and perpetuals. Now, once you have earned some money in your account and you want to withdraw it, you need to click on the withdraw option, select your currency, and over here you need to provide your withdrawal details and you can confirm your withdrawals. Basically, what I'm trying to say is you don't need to verify your identity on Tofro.com in order to deposit or withdraw your money. But still, if you face any kind of problem, I would recommend you to contact to the Tofro support team. And for that, you can simply mail them on this email address, that is support@mail.tofro.pro. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.